Elon Musk warns that Starlink system could be targeted in Ukraine, advises users to camouflage the antenna and to place the device far away from people. Okay, this story. Communications has been a target over there, obviously.
Yeah, it makes sense.
It makes sense. You're trying to control people's ability to get information, share information in order to dominate, attempt to dominate. Elon got involved and said, hey, I'll just get you some Starlink stuff. Well, actually, he was asked by Fedorov, the technology guy in Ukraine, Mikhailo, Vice Prime Minister of Ukraine and Minister of Digital Transformation. He sent a tweet, and then Elon replied saying Starlink service now active for Ukraine, and the terminals are en route. He even shared photos of these terminals all wrapped up. However, upon further thinking, he was like, wait, if Starlink becomes one of the only communication methods left over after these towers get hit, then whoever ends up with this equipment could become a target themselves, or the equipment itself could become a target. And so you got to place these dishes outdoors for this satellite internet. You can see what the dish looks like there on the right. Many thanks. Starlink keeps our cities connected and emergency services saving lives. With Russian attacks on our infrastructure, we need generators to keep Starlinks and life-saving services online. Ideas, and then he talks to Honda, Champion Generators, Westinghouse, and Duramax Power. He's tagging. This guy's working, man.
Yeah, he's reaching out to everybody.
It's really interesting how part of the war, the work is with a gun in your hand, and then part of it is on Twitter.
Right. Nowadays,
and this guy, well, I mean, administrative or communication-based or whatever. And so he's been, it appears to be quite effective at getting the resources that they need. Mm-hmm. It's an amazing picture to see him share the Starlink satellite deployed. But Will's obsessed with something else right now. He just
they called it...
he just can't leave this tweet alone.
A site called Putler.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Hitler and Putin together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, people are really into that comparison, no doubt. But yeah, anyway, so he's saying if anybody has this equipment, including government, try to hide it however best you can, so it's not immediately obvious that you're using that.